Welcome to our school, Matushri Sri and Chandakanya Vidyalay, Sinnar, Maharashtra. The name of our institution is Nashik Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Nashik. Our school, Chandakanya Vidyalay, was established in 1964. Our school is the only girls' school in Sinnar city. School's Atal code is 6858171188. PFMS code is MHNS 000244041. School UDI's number is 272012113112. Our Atal lab area is 1540 square feet. The Atal Tinkering Lab is established under the Atal Innovation Mission. It provides students a space to explore the fascinating world of IoT, AI, 3D printing, and many more. The objective of this scheme is to foster creativity, curiosity, and imagination in the young minds. This is our mechanical station. Various mechanical equipments such as screwdrivers, drills, heat guns, etc. are provided for all the necessary mechanical work. This is our soldering station. All the tools required for soldering are there. We received a funding of 12 lakh rupees from the Niti Aayog for the establishment of Atal Tinkering Lab. Various kits are also provided for the mechanical construction. We take weekly 2 hours training sessions for students from class 6 to class 10th. Atal is a workspace where young minds can give shape to their ideas through the hands-on do-it-yourself. Many projects such as smart helmet, automatic watering system, various robots, cars, wireless lighting system, smart dustbin, etc. IoT projects are created and coded by our students on laptop station. Students can create, connect, and develop innovative ideas. Atal Lab offers the students a remarkable opportunity to bring their 3D dreams to life by fabricating 3D prototypes with the advanced 3D printing, scanning, and designing software. Our students can transform their innovative ideas into practical objects. Our Atal Lab offers the students to wide range of tools and technologies, empowering them to innovate and create their ideas using technology by working with the 3D printers, robotic kits, and programming languages. Students can develop creative problem solving skills and get the practical experiences so that the Niti Aayog provided us a lot of materials such as microcontrollers like Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Raspberry Pi, etc. and many sensors, actuators, and jumper cables, batteries, breadboards, etc. and many essential tools. Our school is very thankful to the central government and Niti Aayog for giving the wings to the ideas of our students. Thank you.